Welcome to our deep dive into user story slicing, a crucial skill in effective Scrum project management. Today, we're focusing on the powerful frameworks of SPIDR and INVEST. User stories are the backbone of your product backlog, but often they start too large. Slicing them down is key to delivering value incrementally and managing sprint work effectively. Slicing is the process of breaking large, complex user stories, often called epics, into smaller, manageable pieces. This is vital for Scrum because it ensures that work is estimable, fit for a single sprint, and, most importantly, delivers incremental value. To help us slice effectively and maintain quality, we use two key mnemonic frameworks, INVEST and SPIDR. INVEST defines what a good story should look like, and SPIDR gives us techniques for achieving that goal. Let's start with INVEST, which stands for Independent, Negotiable, Valuable, Estimable, Small, and Testable. This is the quality checklist for every good user story. Independent means the story should stand alone with minimal dependencies. Negotiable means it's a conversation starter, not a contract. And valuable means it must deliver discernible value to the end user. Estimable means the team can reasonably size the work. Small ensures it fits within a single sprint. And finally, testable means you can verify the story meets its acceptance criteria. Now, let's explore SPIDR, which provides practical techniques for slicing stories that adhere to the INVEST principles. SPIDR stands for spikes, paths, interfaces, data, and rules. Spikes are time-boxed R&D, or technical learning tasks disguised as stories. They don't deliver direct end-user value, but help gather information to accurately estimate future stories, helping satisfy the E in INVEST. Paths involve slicing along a user's workflow or journey. For example, instead of implementing the entire checkout process, you slice it into separate stories for browsing, adding to cart, and payment. Interfaces mean slicing based on different delivery mechanisms or views. You might split a story by implementing the functionality for the web interface first, then the mobile interface later. Data slicing involves isolating stories based on data types or constraints. For instance, handle text inputs first, then later handle image uploads or basic user profiles before integrating complex external data sources. Rules-based slicing focuses on complex business logic. Implement the basic happy path rules first, and then address the more complex edge cases or compliance rules in subsequent separate stories. Let's walk through an example of applying these techniques to transform a massive feature into manageable, sprint-ready stories. Consider a large initial story. As a customer, I can purchase a product and receive a detailed receipt. This is too big and violates the S&E in INVEST. Using paths, we slice the purchase into add product to cart and process basic payment. Using data, we split the receipt into simple confirmation first, and later detailed downloadable receipt. Each new story now meets the INVEST criteria. Mastering user story slicing is essential for maintaining a healthy, agile backlog and delivering continuous value to your stakeholders. When used together, INVEST ensures quality, and SPIDR provides the method to achieve it. This leads to a clearer backlog, easier estimation, and faster, more predictable delivery. Thank you for learning about user story slicing. Start applying SPIDR and INVEST to your next set of epics to supercharge your Scrum team's performance.